Governors BC 2025 is adjourned.
Rotary Club of Lucena is one of the pillars of our District 3820 and proudly the second oldest club in our district. Then Rotary Club of Lucena is composed of men who are not only strong in number but also in purpose and action. Your efforts are seen, your dedication is felt, and your legacy is respected. I am confident that your club will continue to be a beacon of service, integrity, and fellowship. Again, congratulations to our hardworking President Chito Guapinto Romero and the Rotary Club of Lucena. Maraming salamat and Diyos mabalos po sa inyong lahat.
Gusto ko lang po na ipaalam na hindi po lahat ng Rotarian ay nagiging Pangulo. So, pag po tayo naging Pangulo, ibigay na po natin yung best natin. At least, daladala po natin sa memory natin na isa po tayo sa naging Pangulo ng isang club dito sa lungsod ng Lucena. I do so with grateful heart and hopeful spirit. Naging karangalan ko po na makapagsilbi bilang inyong Pangulo. Mabuhay po ang Rotary Club of Lucena, padayon sa serbisyo.
Fellow Rotarians, Rotary spouse, and dear friends, it is heartfelt joy that I welcome you all this meaningful celebration. Tonight is more than just an event. It is gathering of people united by service, bound by friendship, and driven by purpose.
Standing before you tonight as the 76th President of Rotary Club of Lucena is a vote of great honor and humbling responsibility. Habang ako ay nakatayo dito, hindi ko maiwasan balikan ang aking pinanggalingan. I learned to leadership is not about doing things alone. It is about empowering others recognize these contributions and making room for them shine. Hindi kailangan ikaw palagi ang bida. Habang may taong may malasakit at tandang maglingkod, Rotary will always have a place.
Can you please raise your right hand and repeat after me? I state your name.
I'm Elmer Chito Romero,
Hardworking President
hardworking President
of Rotary Club of Lucena
of Rotary Club of Lucena
for Rotary Year 2025-2026.
for Rotary Year 2025-2026.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations to our hardworking President.
Rotary is not just organization, it is a family, a mission, and lifelong commitment to doing good in the world. Kaya sa inyong lahat, Maraming salamat po sa tiwalang suporta at sa paglalakbay na ito. Mabuhay ang Rotary Club of Lucena! Mabuhay ang District 3820! Mabuhay tayong lahat! Mga taong may malasakit, may puso, may hangaring tumulong sa kapwa, maraming salamat po!